want to do you know? New link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Attack.
Bless up on the cell, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know it's a New Link there and from New Link Production. And we say attack. So people, right about now, I'm going to talk about a thing now, people, involving a Jamaican female in a Bahamas now, people, who is facing deportation right now. You understand? Because this female, people, who appeared in court on Monday now, people, boy, me I tell her, say, dog, near my supper because she going to end up, come right back to Jamaica. Well, people, the reason being for this female, as I tell her, who is 25 years old, to be on her way to Jamaica soon, people, here we are going now. Well, everybody don't know the thing we are going with the COVID-19. I know it's crazy. Well, in Bahamas, if you never know, people, they have 11 deaths so far and they have over 80 cases, you understand, which is really bad. So them really strict over there, which they have to do to protect them country, because Bahamas is a little small island, people. You know, they have a different islands, so they have to try to protect them thing certain way, you understand. So when the government say lockdown, they mean lockdown people. You get me as a people in the Bahamas, them have to get used like some place, them have to use them last name, forget them date, when them figure supermarkets. So that mean if you go this week, maybe next week you can't go back because the place of your own strict on the orders. No joke about it, which you don't know, it's COVID-19 is serious. Well, this Jamaican female and our people comes up, boom, them say that on Monday, the 26th of April, she decides, say, yo, she gonna go up on the street, you understand? And some reason, somehow, what me I go explain to you, the fullest of what she go up on the street for, when she go in a court and what she talk, what she go in the street for. So she decides, say, yo, she gonna go up on the street, people, and she comes, so boom now, you understand? And go on the street and end up do get caught by the police during the curfew, people. And after that, when she do, you know, I think with the police and everything, she go court, you understand, appeared in court on Monday. And when she appeared in court on Monday now, from this to now, people, now you go hear the police are going. Well, when she got court and Judge wheel out and Judge asks her what she had up on the street, you understand, in that time when there's a curfew in the Bahamas and no one should be on the road and everything, she said she have a friend who work at her office. And the friend called her, and that time was, them said 10:25 p.m. in the night. So the friend called her, said she need him to come assist him for 2 hours do something. I don't know, so but that thing funny. Me not think funny, me don't know, so she want assist with something. Well, she said she was on her way to her friend, people, because the friend tell her, say, him don't call, you understand, that the emergency, who people, them, healthcare, them, who deal with the COVID-19, and tell her, say, her friend, I come check her, because reason, them say, okay, boom. That way, she said the friend tell her. So when she tell the judge that, the judge said, listen, if the friend tell you that, you should have called the help people them now to confirm that you can go on the road. So from this on now, people, the judge say, all right then, 3 months in prison time in the Bahamas, and them charge her $500 Bahamian, people, and them say after that, you know what I mean, after the airport and everything free up, them a deport her back to Jamaica. Yeah, so easy, so done. Some people are going to say them too harsh, them could have deal with her, look weird, but in the end, people, honestly, me look upon her and I say, yo, you know, kind of harsh with deport her like that, then could have do this, give her a chance, but at the end, people, that's their country, and they have to set example, you understand? People have to understand the thing, at times being we go someplace, now people country and thing, and we think, say, yo, we can't just do what we feel like that, but we have to understand. We really have to understand, because the COVID thing is really serious and people are taking it as joke. So in the end, maybe the judge no want to really do it, you know. You know what I mean? Like, deal with them so harsh, but the judge has set an example to others so them not make the same mistake. So in the end, you have to look upon the boat way, but honestly, boy, me I tell you, I wonder, I say, when could I want to do one day if there's a local PC one go bus in the hours there and I using it? You know what? Maybe there's a local PC one go bus there in 2 hours in the office, you do something 10:25 p.m. in the night. How could I what them are doing in the office for 2 hours? Oh, think you link a fool. Well, people, it's sad, and them say, she, soon as the airport thing free up, on our way back to yard, and you don't know, I just say go, so any Jamaican who they Bahamas right now, listen when you link I say, you don't know, so we have to attack, and you don't know we have to drop the nose, but listen here, New Link don't want to come talk about you know. You understand? So no do what? Follow the rules, follow the protocols, and stay inside. You get what me I say? Listen what them I say. Don't go on the street if you don't know if you go on it. Don't break the rule, because when them catch you, a straight a yard do not come. Peace out. Attack them New Link. Big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. 242, big up on yourself. Walter X and Caicos, Jamaica. Respect. Attack. Out.